We will be using satin ribbon, 15 inches long, 11 inches, 10 inches, and 9 inches, and a piece of fabric for our centerpiece. First, we will heat seal the ribbon to avoid fraying. Take the 11 inches long ribbon, fold to find the center. Grab your needle and thread and poke the needle in the middle. Then our 10 inches long ribbon. Next is our 9 inches ribbon. Check if aligned. Here's how it looks like. Pull the needle. Wrap the thread around just once. Now pull the thread gently with the help of your fingers to shape the ribbon. There, no stitching needed. Then, wrap the thread around to secure the shape. Then grab our 15 inches long ribbon. This will be the tail of our bow. Fold. Then we will do a simple stitch here. Attach, pull, and wrap the thread. Time for our centerpiece now. Fold, touch, cut the excess fabric, glue, we will attach the hair clip. We will cut the ends in a diagonal shape. Heat seal. It's finished. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Again, if you have questions, just leave us a comment below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again next.